Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Valve Index. Firstly, download Steam and create an account, and once inside Steam, search for Steam VR and install it. Use the provided cables from the Valve Index package. Once all cables are connected, the front lights on the headset will turn on. If using room scale VR, mount the base stations diagonally across the room and plug them in and make sure they're on channel B and C. If they don't sync automatically, connect them to the PC via micro USB or use the provided sync cable. In Steam, click VR at the top right of the launcher. Follow the prompts, just set up room scale and use stand-in only mode. Trace your play area using the headset and controller for accurate boundaries. Adjust the headset straps, lenses, and enter polarity distance. You should see the Steam VR home environment appear inside the headset. You're now ready to launch and play VR games from your Steam library. Just keep the firmware from the headset, controllers, and base stations up to date, and use a VR mat or rack to help stay centered while playing. Clear a safe play space around you to avoid injury or damage. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.